welcome back to another N.E.S.T video. I'm Jemima and today we're going to be making our own jigsaw puzzles. So for this, all you need is some paper, a pencil, if you have them, some colouring pencils, and a pair of scissors. Make sure that you're being really careful when using these. You only use these at the very end of the activity, and make sure you have a grown-up to supervise using these. Okay, so how are we going to make our jigsaws? So what we're going to do, we're going to draw a picture on here. It can be whatever you want, absolutely anything. Be super creative. I know how creative you can be. Just go wild with your drawings. And once we've drawn that, we will then cut up the picture and put it back together again. Okay, let's start drawing. Okay, so I am now going to draw the image for our jigsaw. I'm just going to do something relatively simple. See if you can guess what it is as I'm going along. Okay, I'm sure you can tell what it is. So I've just drawn written out N.E.S.T, and I've done the Angel of the North as the T. So as you probably know, you can see on the back of people's t-shirts, the Angel of the North in blue is N.E.S.T logo. So now I'm going to bring in some of my colouring pencils, although some of them really need a sharpen. Okay, so now I'm going to colour some of these in. If there are a few of you, you can always do separate pictures, hiding them from each other, and then once you've cut them up and finished them, you can then give them to each other to put together to see what you've all drawn. If not, you can, if you're just by yourself, you can try and put it back together, or you can maybe rummage it up, or leave it for a few hours, for a while after you've finished drawing and cut it into pieces, and then try and put it back together again. Or you could ask a grown-up and say, I've made this, can you put it back together? And then they can see what you've drawn. There are loads of different ways you can do this, and I think it's quite fun. Okay, now I've finished the image, and now it's time to chop it all up. So I'm just gonna kind of do a little bit randomly. Chop wherever I feel in different shapes. Okay, here are all my jigsaw pieces. Yeah, all messed up, and I'm gonna try put them all back together again. All done. Yeah, send us pictures of your jigsaws that you make, and let us know how you got on. Cool, well, we'll see you next week. Thank you for watching. Yeah, hope you're all well. Cool, bye.